Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on showing navigation bar while we are using gestures navigations in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this feature and how to enable it. First of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings we need to go to gestures options menu, and at the top we have system navigation. And here it is, gesture navigation. So when this option is enabled, we need to go to this cog menu here, and at the bottom we have navigation bar. So right now this is hidden, but we can enable it. And now while we're using gestures navigation, this navigation bar will be visible. And that's it. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.